Hilti is a world-leading pioneer in providing innovative fastening to steel solutions for the energy industry. Hilti offers a variety of fastening solutions for steel applications that are faster, more efficient, and more reliable. Traditional methods of fastening to steel include the following: welding, through bolting, and clamping. In this video, we will show you the benefits of using Hilti fastening methods against these traditional methods. Welding can be a time-consuming fastening process that requires an experienced or certified welder, hot work permit, and fire watch. Prep work and rework of coated steel need to be done, and the application often requires an external power source. If done outdoors, weather conditions become another factor. Through bolting requires penetration of the flange, which can be a long and tedious drilling process, especially with thick steel flanges. The installer needs access to both sides and often must handle a lot of small parts like bolts, nuts, and washers. Clamping also requires access to both sides of the application and can be limiting in the way or direction that something is being attached. It is subject to more limited vibration resistance, which can require more maintenance. Clamping materials can also be more expensive per fastening point. Hilti's innovative fastening to steel solutions provide a new way of working that helps you complete jobs with enhanced productivity, speed, and efficiency. Hilti's SBT blunt tip screw fastening technology is designed for steel and soft metals like aluminum. This method of fastening is propellant-free and removable. When working with high-strength steel, Hilti's XBT blunt tip direct fastening technology is ideal. First, a small pilot hole is drilled, and then the fastener is attached, creating a friction weld that helps to ensure high holding values. There is no rework needed of the coated steel with this method. The most recent and innovative fastening to steel solution is the new cordless stud fusion system, Hilti's portable, battery-powered system for welding threaded studs, ideal for applications with high loads or when attaching to thin base materials. The FX3A unit allows for one-touch adjustment of welding parameters and provides immediate performance feedback. And no touch-up is required when utilizing our FBT MRSN threaded stud with proprietary sealing washer. For more information on how Hilti can help you upgrade your fastening to steel applications, contact your Hilti representative or visit Hilti online.